Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever we are doing in the math class. So children, today is Thursday, so we are dealing with Maths Day book today also. So in today's class, we are continuing with chapter 4, addition and subtraction. We will do exercise 15, that is in page number 60, okay. So in this exercise we will do the sum subtraction with borrowing. You have done it before also and even in class 2 also. So how to borrow in subtraction? Let us learn first from the video. So subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Here we will first simply see the subtraction without borrowing. So let us subtract 245 from 768. In order to do so, you have to place the number according to its place value. So you know that every sums you have to do from the right hand side, that is from ones position. So subtract the ones. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Now we will subtract the tens. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. And we will finally subtract the number in hundreds position, that is 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So the final answer is 523. So this is the simple subtraction without borrowing, children. Now let us see subtraction of 3-digit with borrowing from tens place. We will borrow here from the tens place. So the question is, subtract 315 from 472. So let us see how you will subtract. First we have to place them according to its place value. Now you know that we have to subtract the number in ones position. But you know 5 cannot be subtracted from 2 because 5 is more than 2. So what you can do here? You can borrow 1 from 7. And you will make it 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. And you will make 12 in place of 2. Okay. So 2 will be 12. So you will subtract now 5 from 12. That is 12 minus 5 is 7. Subtract the tens now. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. And 4 minus 3 in 100 position, it will be 1. So the final answer is, children, your final answer after subtracting the sum is 157. Hope till here you all are clear. Now next we will subtract 595 from 979. So 9 minus 5, we know it's 4. That is the subtraction of ones. Now subtract the tens. But 9 cannot be subtracted from 7, right? Because 7 is less than 9. So we will borrow 1 from hundreds and we will make 17. So 9 minus 1, 9 will become 8 and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 9 equals to, what is 17 minus 9? 17 minus 9 equals to 8. After that you will subtract the number in hundreds position, that is 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So in this way you will do subtraction with borrowing, children. The final answer is 384. Hope you all understood whatever I have done here. Okay. Now let us do this exercise. Okay, this is exercise 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, children. We will do 4 is your home assignment. You can at least do 4 till number E. Okay, you will do number E. A1 ABC I will solve for you. D and E will be your homework. Again 2 ABC I will solve for you. D will be your homework. And number 3 A, B, C I will solve for you. And D will be your homework. So hope this is clear to you all. So let us start solving the sums and let us proceed to our class. Children, let us start with 1A from exercise 15. You can see that there is 72. 35 minus 72. So you see ones position. you can't subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is less. So I will bring 1 from 7. So it will be considered as 12 and this will be 7 minus 1, 6. Yes. So 12 minus 5 is 7 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So my first answer is 337. Now let us do number B, children. 0, you can't subtract 3 from 0. So what I will do, I will make it 10. In order to make it 10, you will bring 1 from 5 and 5 will be 4 here. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now next C and D you will do it yourself. This one is easier one. C and D you will do it yourself, children. Now next, let me do number B, number 2A. Okay, so you can see here 4 minus 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 4. So you will make it 14. In order to make it 14, we will bring 1 from 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. So 14 minus 9. So 9 minus 14 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 5. So 5 I will write here. And 5 minus 4, we know that 5 minus 4 is 1. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So the answer is 615. So here also we can't subtract. You can see there is 8 at the top and 9 below. So we can't subtract 8 from 9. So we will bring we will borrow 1 from 7. So 7 will be 6. 8 plus 9, that is 18 minus 9 will be 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. So I will write 9 here. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 5 minus 3 is also 2. So my final answer is 229. Let me do C also for you. Here also 2 minus 642 minus 235. Yes. So here also 2 is smaller than 5. So I will bring 1 from 4. So when I will borrow 1 from 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 407 is the answer. D is your home assignment. So D you will do yourself, children. Now let us do subtraction with the 4-digit number. So here you can see first is you have to subtract 1458 from 5673. So we will start from 1's position. So here also you can see you have to subtract 8 from 3, which is impossible. So you have to bring 1 from 7. So this 7 will be 6 here. 13 minus 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Let me make it large. Okay. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer I got is 4215. Now let us move to number B, children. Here also you have to subtract 7 from 6, which is not possible. So I will bring 1 from 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 6 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So the final answer I got is 3109. Now let us do number C, children. Here you have to subtract 2406 from 6815. So we can't subtract 6 from 5. So let us make it 15. So in order to make it 15, we will bring 1 from here. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 0 will be left over. So 15 minus 6 is 9 again. 0, let me write 9 nicely. 9. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is also 4. So number D, children, you will do it yourself. So D is your homework. D is your homework. So children, I have already told you from number 4 I am not doing anything in the class, but you can at least do at your home. Yes. So number 4, A, B, C, D. You will see the place value and you will write it in your copy. You will do the full sums in your copy. Okay, so 4 A, B, C, D is your homework. Hope it is all clear to you. Subtraction we have done it before also, so I think so there won't be any problem. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.